How to save $10,000 in 1 year. The Side Hustle Blueprint. From zero to profit. Imagine this. It's 1 year from now. You're looking back at your bank account, seeing that $10,000 you've saved up, knowing it's the result of consistent effort, smart decisions, and, most importantly, a plan. Now, what if I told you that you can make that happen starting today? Yeah, you heard me right. $10,000 in 1 year. No gimmicks, no shortcuts, just a clear path and your dedication. If you're ready to make that dream a reality, stay tuned, because this is your Side Hustle Blueprint, from zero to profit. So let's talk about the reality most of us face. You're living paycheck to paycheck, scraping by, thinking that saving $10,000 is impossible. You're not alone in that. In fact, 70% of Americans are living paycheck to paycheck right now. But here's the truth. The system isn't designed for you to succeed unless you take control. But let's stop right there. I know what you're thinking. This all sounds great, but I don't have the time, energy, or skills. Well, what if I told you that it's not about working harder, it's about working smarter? Let me introduce you to the Side Hustle Blueprint. These are not get-rich-quick schemes, but legitimate, actionable steps that can bring in real money. The key is consistency. And you don't need a fancy degree or years of experience to start, just a little bit of hustle and the right mindset. Point number 1, freelancing or online work. Start by leveraging your skills, whether it's writing, graphic design, or social media management. Platforms like Upwork or Fiverr can connect you with clients who need your services. And guess what? You don't have to leave your house. That's the beauty of online work. 1 hour a day, and you're on your way. Point number 2, selling products online. Let's talk about e-commerce. There's no reason you can't tap into the billion-dollar online shopping industry. Whether it's dropshipping, flipping products on eBay, or creating your own brand on Etsy, the opportunity is right at your fingertips. The best part? You can start with just a few $100. That's right. Low investment, big returns. Point number 3, gig economy jobs. And for those of you who are thinking, I don't have a business idea, try tapping into the gig economy. Driving for Uber, delivering groceries, or running errands on TaskRabbit could make you an extra $500 a week easily. And I'm not talking about just working harder. This is about working smarter. Imagine 5 to 10 hours a week can turn into a consistent side income. Hold on, I know what you're thinking. Is this really possible? Can I really save $10,000? Here's the twist. It's all about how you set up your plan. It's easy to get caught up in the excitement and jump from one hustle to the next. But the key is focus. Don't try to do everything. Start with one, commit, and stick to it. So let's talk strategy to make sure you hit your goal. Consistency is king. First, set clear goals. Track your progress. This isn't about working 60 hours a week or burning out. It's about staying focused. 30 minutes a day dedicated to your hustle adds up over time. Think about it. Just $27 a day and you'll hit $10,000 in 365 days. That's under $1 an hour. Point number 4, automate and track your money. Don't leave your savings to chance. Use apps like Mint or YNAB to track your spending and automate savings. Every dollar you make from your side hustle, automate at least 10% into a high-yield savings account. By the end of the year, you'll be shocked at how quickly that adds up. And now, it's time for your challenge. This is the moment you've been waiting for. You've been holding out for a sign to take control of your financial future. This is it. No more waiting. No more excuses. Start today. Pick one side hustle from the blueprint. Commit to it for 30 days. Give it your all and watch your financial dreams unfold. And if you think that's all there is to saving $10,000, wait until you hear the next tip. There's one secret even seasoned hustlers are missing when it comes to making their side hustles explode. You'll want to stick around for that in the next video. Remember, it's not about being the smartest, it's about being consistent. And today, you took your first step. Don't stop now. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment below on which side hustle you're going to try first. I'll see you in the next video.